Alright, road warriors, let's talk trailers today. Ever heard of Bambi? No, not the deer, but if you're a fan of small adventures in big style, this Bambi from Airstream might just be your new best friend. It's the trailer for those of us who want to go big on experiences, but small on towing. Now let's get to the star of the show, the Airstream Bambi. For years, Bambi has been the cute little nickname for Airstream's smallest travel trailers. Now, it's graduated from nickname status to a full-on model. And let me tell you, it's no baby trailer. It's the tent camper's dream come true. I mean, who needs to wrestle with tent poles when you can tow your cozy little aluminum cocoon with a 16 to 22 foot long Bambi, decked out with a kitchen, a convertible dinette, and even a bathroom? The Bambi comes in 4 floor plans, but every single one includes the essentials: a dedicated sleeping space for 2, a dinette that converts into extra sleeping space for another 2 people, and of course, a fully functional kitchen. You get stainless steel appliances, a retractable awning for some shady outdoor lounging, and a stereo system with Bluetooth. Because what's camping without some tunes? And let's not forget the solar pre-wire kit, so you can stay off the grid for longer. The galley kitchen is compact, but fully functional, and the bathroom gives you the luxury of staying clean without sacrificing living space. 3 of the 4 floor plans even have a rear bathroom that spans the whole back of the trailer, which sounds pretty nice when you're out in the wild. Oh, and there's an exterior shower too, because nothing says I'm rugged but still classy like an outdoor shower with hot and cold water. Let's talk about style, because the Bambi brings Airstream's iconic design with that sleek, that curved aluminum shell. This thing is a head-turner, no question. It's timeless, and let's face it, you're gonna feel pretty cool towing this around. And don't worry about temperature control. This trailer's got you covered with air conditioning and heating, so whether you're in the desert or the mountains, you'll be as comfy as you are at home. Actually, let's be real, probably more comfortable, because at home, you don't get to wake up to the view of the Grand Canyon or a quiet forest. Speaking of waking up, whether it's you and your partner or a couple of extra friends or pets, the Bambi sleeps up to 4 people. So yeah, you can bring your whole squad along. Plus, with prices starting at $61,900, this trailer is the ticket to making every weekend a mini vacation without breaking the bank. Don't forget, there's a link to the official product website in the description. And remember to subscribe for more cool ideas on wheels.